Hey guys, 1052 checking back in. Was kind of thinking about the trajectory of this market move down and how intense it was, and how we kind of can equate it to this area here. Just obviously the speed of information with the algorithms and the computerized trading just intensify the moves. Obviously, we've had some unprecedented economic situations here as well unfolding, but for us to kind of think we're in the clear, we kind of need to move this action that we saw here in this line where we corrected this huge sell-off to replay here. So what I mean is we always talk about time over a certain area. So if we look in this little area here of the V, that trend line we broke, and then we went down and retested the lower trend line back up and attacked it, and we bounced up on it. It's kind of what we're doing right now. We bounced up on this just in a shorter time frame, and maybe we can equate that to how fast things are moving with the information and the news that's coming in and indirection and indecision. But we need to see us hold above that for, I think, 3 or 4 days, like we talk about the magic number, and then maybe retest it and then bounce back up. This is the same pattern we think we want to see repeat in the other area of the market right here in this trajectory. So, definitely not out of the woods yet. Let's remove some of these lines here that we're talking about, the fib lines, so we can kind of clarify things. And also, if we do push through there, our next number is 266, where we'll take a short position for sure on the SPY. 266. Everybody has a different Fibonacci where they run it from. They're probably running it from the bottom of this retracement to the top of the market. I tweak mine a little bit, so it is what it is. That's my number 266 area right around there. So let's remove the Fibonacci and kind of look at the trend line that we're talking about here. So we kind of want to see us get above here, maybe attack the 20 SMA, and then kind of waffle around for a few days, retest, hold the line on a close, 4 days above, remember, and then start to move away from that. And then we can kind of figure out, where our next move is. We'll obviously take a short. It might be somewhere along the 20 SMA, depends how this unfolds over time. We could even attack, if we had a continuation move and some good news on the virus, we might go attack the 45. But let's not try to step in front of this. Let's figure out what the market's doing. I might take a small short today up in the area up here. I've been probing a few times and stopped out for small losses. So I'm just trying to feel this out intraday. But for the longer term, guys, I think that's what we kind of need to do. Get above this trend line, hold it for 4 days. That will prove to me that the market, wants to push higher. Let's again look at some strong stocks like Microsoft on the daily and kind of see where we're at with respect to our moving averages. That's a little screwy there, but you get the idea. We're kind of attacking the 20 there. We haven't seen the market attack the 20, but at least looking at this, and I know we're talking about 500 stocks versus one, at least it has the impetus, at least it has the intent, and it's kind of pushing above now to push above that. So it just gives us a little caution on our shorts. We don't want to come in too early if we're looking to short the market. Everybody's looking at the same thing. Everybody's looking at the same information. So just keep that in mind.